Hello, today we are introducing you to the 2024 Forte LXS line. Over here you have the slick front with the 16-inch alloy wheels rather than the 15-inch steel wheels, looking very good. When you get to the interior, you have all of your different phone modes on one side with your cruise control and lane assist on another. You have an 8-inch screen. The screen is touchscreen or it can be worked by buttons. Down here you have a shelf for your phone with 3 different chargers, so no one's fighting over chargers. This car comes with 3 different drive modes: normal, sport, and smart mode. Smart's good for tracking and making it more fuel efficient. This is just one of our trim levels and very affordable, great interior. They've updated it a lot when it comes to the specs and the detail in these. And it's a vehicle that's under $25,500. Where else can you get that? Come in and get a Forte.
Trust Transitowne.